Hi there, Kira here with my August Wild Hair Kit unboxing. I'm going to read you briefly what I wrote in my style profile. I didn't really say much different for the majority of the profile, but down in the bottom questions, I said everyday photos is what I'll be scrapping, no specific projects planned at the moment. And then anything else I want my curator know, I said, new Amy Tangerine, please. I'm obsessing over her new collection, especially those suede flowers, but I'm sure you could have guessed that. I also love the puffy hearts and the sticker book, but let's be real, the entire collection is amazing. So basically I would have been happy with any part of that collection, because I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's awesome, and you'll be able to see pieces of it in this kit here. So let's jump right in and see what I've got. Allison always writes a little note on the back here, so she just said, "Hi Kira, shine on." Allison, that's the name of the collection. If you're unaware, it's Shine On. And this note down here says, "Hi Kira, here it is in all its Amy Tangerine glory. I love how well it coordinates with Simple and Sweet from Pink Fresh Studio. I'm dying to see what you do with those suede flowers. Enjoy." So I'm going to start with the papers, and then we'll move on to the embellishments. And I apologize that I don't seem as excited about this as I should be. This is like my third time trying to film this unboxing video. So the novelty of the kit has worn off at the moment, but I love it. I squealed when I first opened it, so I do love this kit. I just am tired of filming unboxing videos and I just want to play with it. So my papers. This first one is Amy Tangerine Shine On, and it's called More of This. So it's got some 3x3 cut aparts on this side, and the reverse side is a nice neutral. It's like these black and white, or black triangles with a white background. And the branding strip is really cute too. So there's that one. This one is called Alive, and it's got these really cool leaves on this side. I've seen a few people fussy cut these leaves out on their layouts using this paper. I think that's a great idea. I also really love the back, which is this pink, and this branding strip, again, so cute. This one is called Remember. So it's got these really cute cameras on this side. You can't see, all the cameras have kind of a different little saying on them. So it's Remember, Explore, Smile, Happy. It's kind of repeated through all the cameras. So this would be great to fussy cut. And then the reverse side is kind of this great, I guess it'd be kind of a herringbone pattern. And it's like a aqua color. That's really pretty too. This one's called Ambitious. I love the flowers on this side and this kind of like peachy coral color. It's awesome. And then again, a nice neutral on the back with this gray with white and black polka dots. And cute branding strip again. I like that side better though. This paper is from Pink Fresh Studio from the Simple and Sweet collection. It is called Fresh Air, and I love that you can kind of cut apart all these little labels on this side, but I really love a grid, and I love that this is kind of like a larger grid, so I could definitely see myself using this as a background piece. But this is a great paper if you don't have a lot of money for embellishments. This would be a great paper to fussy cut. This paper is from Dear Lizzie's Stargazer. It's called Sunsetting. I'm not a huge fan of this side, but I think this side is super cute. I love little stars, and the branding strip's really cute on this one too. And I think this goes better with the kit. This one is called Good Things. It's also from the Simple and Sweet collection. I really love the lemons on this side. I think it's a nice fresh paper, but I love this side. I did a layout where I use this as a background, and I could definitely see myself using this again as a background because I think it's so cute. This paper is called Happiness. This kind of trips me out when I move it like this, but it's a cool paper. I really like the black and white, and I really like the circles on this side. But I think I like the black and white better. My husband is really weird about scrapbook papers. He doesn't like papers that like mess with his eyes. So like sometimes if I show him a layout or like ask him like, hey, should I use this as a background paper? He doesn't ever like the ones like this where it kind of like messes with your eyes. He'll always tell me no. Fun little fact right there. Okay, so this one is called Three Sides. So the cute little triangles in different colors. And then the reverse side is this cute little kind of starbursty pattern. I like the colorful side though. This one is also from Simple and Sweet. It's called Good Company. It's got these cute labels on this side. And I love this color blue. And I really like this side too. I like the green. I think that it's really pretty, and this cute little kind of like heart outburst thing. This paper is called Up, and it's got, yeah, triangles on that side. I love this pattern though. I think it's just a really nice kind of neutral black and white polka dot. For cardstock this month, I said surprise me, and so I'm really happy that she put some in here because I think these colors are gorgeous. So this top one, this is Turquoise Mist, and these are Basil, if you're wondering the brand. So Turquoise Mist for that color, and then this one is called Arroyo, and that's kind of just like a nice coral color. So those are my papers. They're all gorgeous and wonderful. Now we're going to jump into the embellishments. So when this collection first came out and Allison showed it to us, the first thing I saw and wanted were these little flowers, because you guys know I love texture and dimension, and these are super cute and not really anything that we've seen in past collections. So they're suede, faux suede, and they're like little flowers, these little colors, and I'm just obsessed with them. So I basically saw these flowers and was like, okay, you need to get those because I need them in a kit. so those are amazing. This sequin mix, exclusively designed for Wild Hare Kit by Spiegelman Scraps. It's got some like lavender, some white, a little bit of like this peachy coral color, and this blue, little pop of blue. Really pretty. It goes great with this collection. The puffy stickers, I'm obsessed with these as well. You get so many of them. There's 98 little hearts, and I don't like kind of a regular heart shape. I like a more kind of wonky heart, because this is more how I draw my hearts. So I love how these hearts are kind of a little wonky. They're not all the same shape. I love that they're little tiny ones that you can use as like added details on a page. I just think they're adorable. So I'm excited to get that I got those. These are the epoxy badges from Simple and Sweet. I think these are great. They go perfectly with this collection. All the colors match great with the Amy Tangerine collection. And again, it's just another kind of different texture and different dimensional element for my pages. The ephemera pack that I got is from Simple and Sweet. And I'm just going to hold this up so you can see everything that's included in there. Lots of great elements for summer. I love the little lemons. The little flowers are so cute. There's also like ice cream and like little cups of juice and a bicycle, and I just think it's so cute and fun. And I love that there's such a variance in sizes too. So there's like these tiny little flowers, but you also got this big lemon here, and just some fun stuff there. And then lastly, I got the sticker book from the Amy Tangerine collection. And you can't really tell, I don't think you can in the camera, but some of these are white. Let me see if you can see better if I put it on my finger. So some of the stickers are white, which is really cool. And then some of them are gold foiled, but you've got some fun little like plants and these little bunnies. You'll see lots of those in here. Little leaves are just like the perfect added touch to pages. These little flowers, how cute are those? I'm just obsessing over the sticker book. I love these black and white flowers. I think they're so cute. Leaves, you always see a lot of leaves in Amy Tangerine's collections, and I always think they're fun fun things to add to pages. And you get a whole another sheet of hearts, which I think is amazing. So you get some gold foiled ones, some ones that kind of match the puffy stickers, some white, some black, and then these are wood grain. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick up that, but it's a wood grain heart, which is cute. Some black words, so this is Amy Tangerine's writing, and then also some white ones, but you probably can't see those too well. And then some, I guess, I don't know, we'd call them like plannery type of stickers, so there's like the months and the days, some numbers, the seasons, and yeah, so that's the sticker book. So I am so excited about this kit, you guys. I think this kit is amazing, and I cannot wait to start playing with it. Like I said, I've filmed this 3 times. I'm just so ready to just like dive in. Like, please be the last time I film this unboxing video. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with some process videos. Have a good day.